8th Samachir Max, exercise 5.4 practical geometry. We are going to see how to construct a quadrilateral. Construct the following quadrilateral with the given measurements and also find their area. Here your quadrilateral is ABCD. ABCD. Draw it continuously like this. Okay. Next, AB is given as 5 cm and BC is given as 4.5 cm, CD is given as 3.8 cm and DA is given as 4.4 cm and AC, that is the diagonal, is given as 6.2 cm. So here in this diagram all the 4 sides are given and the diagonal's length is given for you. So for constructing a quadrilateral you need 5 measurements totally. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Only if you have 5 measurements you can construct a quadrilateral. So first of all you see where you get a triangle. So you have these 3 points means you can construct a triangle. So first of all you draw one line AB for 5 cm. I have drawn one line AB for 5 cm and you have to draw from here 4.5, from A to C 6.2. So you take your compass and your scale, keep your compass in the point 0 and for 4.5 you can measure with your compass. Okay, so from here you need 4.5 means draw 4.5 one arc. Then from here to here you have to draw 6.2. So take your compass, measure for 6.2 and you construct one, draw one line, arc. You have 6.2, you draw one arc. From here you join, this is your point C. So you have got one point. When you draw 2 arcs, join 2 arcs means you get a point. So in the point of intersection of the 2 arcs will be your point. Correctly, exactly you keep and you draw and join this AC and you join BC also. So you are joining BC. Next, from here you have to draw for 3.8 one arc, from here 4.4. So from C you have to draw 3.8 means take your compass and measure for 3.8, measuring 3.8. From here you have to draw 3.8. So keep at your point of intersection, that is your C, and draw one arc. Next, from here you have to draw 4.4. So take your compass and from here it measure for 4.4 and you cut the previous arc. Okay, so if the arc is not longer means you can see that you extend your arc so that you get the point of intersection. Next, you join these 2 points, AD and CD. Now you have got one quadrilateral. See that you draw exactly. Okay, so this is D. This is, write your measurements now. 4.4 centimeter, 3.8 centimeter, this is 6.2 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. After this you are supposed to find the area of the quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2, where D is your diagonal, H1 and H2 are your heights. So it is equal to half into your D value is given, that is your diagonal is given as 6.2. Now you want to find out H1 and H2, that is the point of contact from the vertex to the diagonal, from here to here. So this is your first H1 you have to draw means keep your protractor at the point of contact 90. Then you see your line is here. So point you keep like this means you join up to your diagonal. I have kept a point here, but you join only up to your diagonal. This is your H1. So you see that it is 90 degrees. So for that sake only you keep your protractor and draw. Now you keep your protractor like this in point B. So see that your line, it is parallel to this line, that is parallel to the diagonal also. So you see here it touches the point B, that is 90 degree, and it is more or less it must be parallel to your diagonal. Just it is not exact, so you can see here is your diagonal. So I am keeping my point here straight to this point. Okay, now you join this. So here is your point means from the diagonal, see, keep like this, but you join only up to your diagonal. Okay, so this is your H2. Now take your scale and measure for H1 and H2. So H1 I have measured as 2.8. So 2.8 plus your H2 you measure, it is 3.8. It is equal to half into 6.2 into 2.8 is 6.6. So it's 6.6. Now you cancel this 3.1. Now multiply these two numbers 66 and 31. Keep a decimal before two numbers. 20.46 centimeter square. So here you have one number after the decimal, here you have one number after the decimal. So before two numbers you can keep a decimal. This is your area of the quadrilateral. Practical geometry for 8th standard, exercise 5.4, second sum. Play, that is, you are supposed to construct a quadrilateral. So PL is equal to 7 centimeter, LA is equal to 6 centimeter, AY is equal to 6 centimeter, PA is equal to 8 centimeter, LY is given as 7 centimeter. So here they have given you the length of the quadrilateral, that is PLAY. I have drawn like this. So PL is 7 centimeter. Okay, so PL 7 centimeter. Next is LA. LA is 6 centimeter. AY is 6 centimeter. PA is 8 centimeter. LY, that is another diagonal. So both the diagonals length are given for you, but this side they have not given. PY is not given for you. So with the help of these measurements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these 5 measurements you are going to construct a quadrilateral. So first I have drawn one line PL for 7 centimeter. Next you have to draw 8 centimeter over an arc. You have to draw this line and this line we see. First of all you measure for 6 centimeter. So take your scale. So from the 0 you will keep for 6 centimeter and you will draw one arc. So from here I am drawing an arc for 6 centimeter. Then from here you draw for 8 centimeter. Measure for 8 centimeter in their scale and cut the previous arc. Okay, so you have got one point A. Now you join these 2 points PA and AL. You are going to join. See that it is touching exactly the point of contact. So this is your point of contact, means you can keep a point so that it will be easy for you to join. So now this is 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Now you have to draw from here for 6 centimeter. So AY I am going to draw for 6 centimeter. Six centimeter I have drawn. Next from here for you extend this arc because okay. Next you have to draw for 7 centimeter on arc from point L. So from point L I am going to draw another arc because this is the diagonal's length. So 7 centimeter. It is somewhere here only you have. So you have to draw again your arc for 6 centimeter. You have to extend. So from here I am extending my arc so that it touches here. So this is your point of contact here. This is your Y. So this is 6 centimeter. This is your required, and join this also. Another diagonal you have, is it not? So you can join these two. Now this diagonal itself you can consider to be your height of the H1 and H2. From here you measure, this is your H1. From here to here means it is 1.5 you have. So this is 1.5. From here to here 6.5 you have, 5.5. So this is 5.5. This is your H1. This is your H2 I have marked. From here you mark for 5.5. Next you can find the area of the quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral is equal to half into H into D1 plus D2. Sorry, half into D into H1 plus H2. It is equal to half into your D is diagonal. One diagonal you consider 8 into 1.5 plus 5.5. So it is equal to half into 8 into 7. This and this you cancel. 4 times 4 7s are 28 centimeters square. Understood now?